Roswell, the cat who stole my husband's heart. Before we dive in, if you're someone who loves animals, heartwarming tales, and the occasional laugh at love triangles that involve fur and whiskers, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this one. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss what comes next. I thought I was rescuing a stray kitten, but in reality, I was bringing home my husband's soulmate. It all began under a friend's backyard shed. A tiny, scruffy kitten with oversized ears and eyes too big for his face peeked out from the shadows, scanning the world as if deciding whether it was worth trusting. He was small, skinny, alert, but not afraid. He was clearly searching for something, maybe a home, maybe a friend, maybe in his tiny feline heart, he already knew exactly where he belonged. I was moving in a week and couldn't leave him there, so I turned to Drew, my then boyfriend, now husband, and asked if I could bring the kitten with me. Sure, why not, he said with a shrug and a smile. He had no idea he was saying yes to a lifelong bromance. We named him Roswell, mostly because he looked a little alien-like, too smart, too aware, like he'd come from another planet. And from the moment he stepped into our home, everything changed. But not in the way I expected. Roswell didn't just become part of the family, he rearranged the family hierarchy, and I was bumped to second place. At first, it was subtle. He'd curl up next to Drew more often than me. He'd follow him from room to room. And when Drew talked, Roswell would actually look him in the eye and listen. But it was the way Roswell looked at him that got me. The first time they met, I swear that Cat's pupils turned into hearts. It was like love at first sight. And suddenly, all the cuddles, treats, and late-night bonding I'd done meant nothing.
What's your problem? Huh? Why?
They became inseparable. Roswell sits on Drew's chest like he's guarding a treasure. He paws gently at his beard, purring in a way he never does with me. If Drew catches him being naughty, knocking things off counters or diving into forbidden places, he just gives him this lazy blink like, "You get me." And Drew, he just laughs and says, "It's okay, buddy." Even when we left for a few days to visit the Pocono Mountains, Roswell greeted Drew at the door like a long-lost lover. He squealed, yes, squealed, ran up to him, stretched tall, and raised his tiny paws in the air, like he was asking, "Pick me up, my prince." Me? I got a side glance that said, "Oh, you're back too." There was this one night on our first wedding anniversary when I decided to wear my wedding dress just for fun, thinking maybe it'd be a cute romantic gesture. I came out, sat on the couch in my snow-white gown, and they didn't even look up. Roswell was curled in Drew's arms, gazing at him like he was the only star in the sky. I was invisible, a bridesmaid at my own love story. Drew jokes that Roswell is his best friend in the whole universe. And honestly, I believe him. They read books together, watch TV together. Sometimes they even fall asleep with their faces smushed into each other like puzzle pieces. It's sweet. It's weird. It's kind of heartbreaking. And yet, somehow, it's also beautiful. Even though I'm now third wheel in my own marriage, I've come to see their bond for what it is: pure, joyful, and completely unshakable. Of course, Roswell isn't always a gentleman. He still launches himself into Drew's legs at 3 a.m. He still demands attention with the persistence of a toddler on espresso. But through it all, they're a team. As for me, I'm still here, still waiting for Roswell to give me a spot in the trio. Maybe one day he'll look at me the way he looks at Drew, but I doubt it. Drew has a beard. If this story touched your heart, even just a little, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more true tales of love, fur, and unexpected friendships.
Oh, really? That sucks.
And if you're thinking of bringing an animal, especially an exotic one, into your life, please remember, do your homework, learn what they need, talk to experts. Pets like Roswell aren't just cute companions, they're lifelong commitments. The more you know, the happier their lives and yours will be. Because sometimes, the pet you rescue ends up rescuing someone else entirely.